Hello friends, good morning and welcome to Rigobot business presentation. In this video, we are going to see what is Rigobot and how this Rigobot is going to be the game changer in the market within few months. Okay, so I will cover all those topics about the Rigobot and the other crypto trading bots, how this is going to be different from the other bots. So please watch this video until the end so that you will get all the major points about the Rigobot, so that you will get fully knowledge on Rigobot and duplicate your team. Okay, let's continue this video. Hello friends, before going deep into the presentation, let's cover some of the major points about the Rigobot and how this robot is different from the other bots in the market. Okay, so the first thing, Rigobot having a unique selling point that this is a number one robot which is a fully automatic. Okay, whereas in the market other robots all and all comes under the category of semi automatic robot, whereas what you have to do means you have to do trade setting for the robot every day or every alternate days based upon the market condition, whereas Rigobot is an hands free robot, so that experts they will take care of all the trade. So there is a human intervention is null here. Okay, so that is a major difference that Rigobot is having. Apart from that, there are so many things like they are having a future options, and apart from that they are introducing their own Rika community coin, their staking program. Apart from that, IB commission, master IB commission, and so many things that is coming into the Rigobot. So this is an ecosystem project, whereas others and all that is an application oriented. We are going to see three things, that is a corporate introduction and what is smart trading and what is the advantages of using this Rigobot. Okay, the first thing is corporate introduction. So this Rigobot was developed by Malaysian developers, and they are having almost 7 founders, 3 from Malaysia and 4 from Chinese, and Damon is a chief marketing officer, and every day he is interacting with Zoom with us, and he is explaining what are the future plans about the Rigobot, everything. So already they came up with Rigobot 1, that is an expert advisor option. In Rigobot 2 they came up with the manual trading, and in Rigobot 3 they are coming up with the features like spot as well as futures, and they are introducing their IB commission, master IB commission option, and apart from that their own coin, staking program, and so many things that is going to be launched within couple of months. And this Rigobot application is really user friendly application, so that you can easily connect your account with the Binance account, so that it will automatically trades the Binance asset in spite of us. So and it can make a constant profit, as this is having expert option, so that all the trade will be taken under the full and deep technical as well as fundamental analysis, so that you can make a constant profit through this application. Okay, so this is a high-end application we are using, and whatever the statement you can see in the Binance, that is 100% matching with our Rigobot statement. So that is the assurance that company has given, and apart from that so many things we can detailedly discuss in this product. We'll continue to the next part. In Rigobot, we are going to use the internationally renowned exchange like Binance and Ubai. As everyone know, those who are in the crypto market, that Binance is the leading exchange, and that is a number one exchange in the crypto as well as their trading volume is almost more than 85 billion per day. They are already having more than 380 crypto assets in their exchange, and is the CEO of that Binance. He founded in 2017, and also he is one of the former blockchain developer at one cryptocurrency. So you can see the volume, how much dollars that is trading every 24 hours, and how much the liquidity that is having. And apart from that, we are having more than 385 crypto assets that is trading in the Binance. So whatever the asset you are having a Binance is highly secured, and in case of any hacking and all, So from the SAFU part, they made an insurance so that it will cover up to 10 million US fund. Okay. And next part we will discuss about what is smart trading. So in the video itself I told that the unique selling point about the Rigobot is this one, that is artificial intelligence as well as expert advisor. So expert advisor is nothing but a group of traders, those who are experienced in the field of trading. They will analyze the market, they will analyze the chart, and they will provide the signal. Based upon that, this robot will work and it will take the orders. Okay, so that is the main thing we are using in the Rigobot. And apart from that, this is a fully automatic robot, so that investors, they don't need to set trading and all, that is a trade setting and all, so that automatically system trades in spite of us and it will make a constant profit. So that is the main part about the Rigobot. And also they are having a leverage tokens, so even in the bear market also they will trade the leverage tokens and they will book a constant profit for us. These are the major difference between a market AA and our AE. That a market AA, they will not show the trading data, real time data. Okay, whereas our bot, it will show the real time data, and even in the sum of the bot, it has shown some failure, like it has placed the trading in the bot, whereas in the Binance the order is not taken. Sometimes the order in the bot they already sold, but in the Binance the order is still running. So there are a lot of complications in the market robot, but whereas in our robot it is really synchronized and the backend is very good. Okay, and apart from that, the experts, they are from Russia as well as Central America. So they already having a experience more than 7 years in the crypto world, so that they are making a good profit in spite of us. Okay, because they are good in reading charts in spite of us who are new in the market. Okay, these are the crypto assets they are having as of now, and now they already added another 4 potential coins. So that is going to boom in next few years with the real project. Okay, these are some of the leverage tokens. You can see that BNB down, Ethereum down, Link down. So these are the leverage tokens. During bearish market they will trade these tokens to make the profit, whereas other robots and all, they will make a profit only in the bullish market. But in our robot we can make profit either in bullish or bearish. So this is the actual trading record we got during February to March, that is almost 59%, and this is around 31 to 39%. And during a bear market we made around 17%. During a worst crash down also, some of the market bots, that amount is in floating. Okay, but we made a decent profit of around 9%. So some of the major advantages we can discuss over here about this bot. The first thing is the capital, whatever the capital we are putting into the system, that will be in our Binance account only. So that is 100% safe, because without your email authorization or your OTP authorization, no one take your asset from the Binance. Okay, so that our capital is guaranteed, and apart from that, profit is also guaranteed, because the experts, they are good in reading charts and all everything. So they are already experienced for more than decades. Okay, so they are doing means then definitely will get a good profit. And apart from that, there is no control authority here, as the funds can be deposited anytime in the Binance and anytime it can be withdrawn. So that is a nice part. And apart from that, there is a compound interest option also available. While you are enabling your robot, once you just enabled the compound interest option, means you can enjoy the profit over the period. So every day you can get the benefit of compounding. And they are using a blockchain 3 technology, because as everyone know, the Tron is more decentralized, as well as they can handle higher number of transactions when compared to other blockchain and all. So it is a more safe and also fast and also cheap. Okay, and they are using a combination technology, as I earlier mentioned, artificial intelligence as well as expert advisor. And as the professional, they are doing analysis instead of us, so that fund will not be stuck during bear market. And the risk management is the money management. Okay, so here they are doing a wise part, that is only they are taking 2.5 to 10% of your capital for the initial trade. They are not deploying maximum 30%. And now in future they are going to give some option like moderate, aggressive. So based upon that, if the user want to take more volume of trade from the capital, they can be optional. Okay, so that you can use more fund to get more profit. So that is also option is also coming. And the data is real time, and also it is transparent. Every time you can just take your Binance statement as well as Rigobot statement, 100% it will be matching. And also it is providing attractive marketing plan. So that's why most of the people, they are taking everyday Zoom, and in YouTube also you can make you can see lot of videos in English, Tamil, Chinese and Malay, like that. Okay, so almost in 32 countries they are promoting. He is one of the founder, Mr. George. He is from Malaysia. So let's talk something about the crypto millionaires by the 2025. Next topic is how to become a crypto millionaires by 2025. As everyone know, we are in 4th Bitcoin halving. So as of now, for every block we are getting around 6.25 Bitcoin. Okay, so the next halving is going to happen in 2024 March 8. So that time the number of coins that is going to mine for every half is around 3.125 only. So that time the demand is going to be huge, and also the supply is going to be reduced by half. Okay, so due to the growth in the Bitcoin community, as well as more people, they are getting attracted towards Bitcoin, as this is providing highest yield in the world so far. And apart from that, this community is every day it is growing community. Okay, so definitely in 2024 this Bitcoin going to hit around $250,000 to $4 lakh. Okay, so this is a nice opportunity for everyone to accumulate as much as Bitcoin and altcoin through this Rigobot. So that's why majorly our team empathize on Rigobot compensation plan. Okay, so there are two packages available here. One is a $20 package and another one is $100 package. This $20 package comes with a validity of 1 month, whereas this $100 package is coming with a package of 6 months. And the profit sharing in this robot is 70-30. For example, if a user is making a profit of $100, $70 is going to be to the investors, and $30 is going to be for the people, those who are promoting this. Okay, that is for the compensation plan. They will be sharing this 30%. This is an example. For example, if a person is going to invest $1,000 in Binance or Ubai, he has to just top up 10% from his capital, that is $100 in a gas fees, so that once it is making a profit in the Binance, it will automatically allocate that 30% from the reserve amount. And also there will be notification sent to the user once your gas fees becomes below $15. Okay, so ensure that the gas fees is also always above $15, and also the minimum deposit amount is $30 and above. Okay, so this is the calculation. For example, if you are coming with $1,000, you have to top up the 10% gas fee, that is $100 you have to top up. And apart from that, this $100 is a 6-month activation fee. So this is a plan with $1,200. So your Binance account is having $1,000. Then for example, in 1 month, if a system is making a profit of $300, then from the $300, 30%, that is a $90 will be deducted from your gas fees. So and the remaining gas fees will be $10, so that you have to top up this gas fees, and again the bot will work for you. Okay, this is the compensation plan in the Rigobot. In the Rigobot, we are having two types of income. One is a bot activation income, and otherwise is community reward, that is a trading income. So once you coming into the system, means you will be ranked as a RO. If you want to promote to next rank R1, you have to introduce one client, so that you will get almost 20% from the next bot activation, and apart from that 20% from the trading income. Okay, trading income or trading incentive. This is nothing but when you compare this with 100, you will get 6%, because from 30% this 20%. Okay, because their profit share is 70-30, so you have to take 20% from the 30%, so this will be 6%, and this will be almost 9%, like that the percentage it will go. And the next rank is R2. Okay, in order to qualify for R2, you have to introduce 3 direct people, and that should be condition that from the 3 different group there should be one R1, and the total community members will be 20 members. So in this case you will get 30% from the next bot activation onwards, and your trading will be 30% from the gas consumption. And for ranking R3, for R3 you have to directly sponsor 5 people, and out of that 5 people there should be minimum 3 or 2 from the different group, and your total community have to exceed 100. Okay, in this case you will get bot activation of 40%, as well as trading gas fees you will get 40%, and also there will be a same line commission of 5%. This is awarded to the people R3 and above. Okay, and next rank is R4. For R4 you have to directly sponsor 8 people, and out of that 8 people in 3 different group there should be 3 R3, and the total community members should be 300. In this case you will get 50% from the bot activation, as well as 50% from the trading income, and 5% as a same line commission. In R5 you have to introduce 12 members, and from the 12 members in 3 different group you should have one R4 and 800 total community members, so that your bot activation will be 60%, and your trading income also 60%, and same line commission will be 5%. And in R6 you have to directly sponsor 20 members. Out of the 20 members in 3 different group you should have one R5. Okay, so in this and also your community should have 1500 members. Okay, in this case your bot activation will be 70%, and trading income also from the gas consumption 70%, and the matching commission will be 5%. So for example this affiliate system is also providing a gap commission. Let in the case of if you are in R5 you will be in the percentage of 60. Okay, if your direct is in R2 means then you will be in the 30%. So the different commission is directly you will be getting this direct commission. Okay, that cap commission you will be directly getting. Okay, and apart from that the R6 is the maximum rank in this platform. Once you got this R6 rank, then you will get total 2% gas consumption from the global community. Okay, so this is income is going to be massive, because as this is an automated trading system, so that more investors will be attracted towards this platform. So when more people they are coming, the 2% will be the high reward, because whereas other bots and all only paying 1% from the total company. Okay, this company is paying almost 2%, which is almost 50% higher when compared to other bots. Okay, this is how the global dividend is going to be. For example, if the total collected gas fees is 10%, is $10,000. If there is a 3 or 6 achievers for in a month, means then each of the user will get around $3,333. Okay, so this income is going to be huge, because this is from the global income. Okay, so globally how much gas is collected every month, that will be taken into the count, and that will be allocated in the pool. So once you reach this R6 rank, that will be distributed to the people. So this income is going to be huge. For this only most of the peoples they shown massive dedication towards this plan. So these are the potential income for different ranks. For example, if you are R3, you will get $50 to $100 per day. If you are R4, then you will get 500 to 1000 per day. If you are R5, you will get 1000 to 4000, and if you are R6, you will get almost 5000 to 10,000 per day. These are some of the screenshot. That is investors, those who already invested more than $1 lakh, they are getting almost $2,000 $3,000 per day. And also in network income also, people are making huge money in this concept. So already this community is expanded to 32 countries. As of now, India, we are leading in front. This is the event we organized in Chennai. This is a launching ceremony, and these are the different meeting which was held in Chennai and also in different parts of Tamil Nadu. Soon this is going to be expanded globally also through our team. So I welcome everyone to be a part of Rigobot, because this is going to be a life-changing platform for all the networkers, because everyone is searching for the passive income. This platform is zero liability plan, because we are not getting money from the people. They are directly dealing with Binance account, and if they are making a profit in the Binance, then we will be getting the profit in our Rigobot. So that is the system is all about, and company is very safe, and they are having a very experienced traders in their team, and apart from that they are having a lot of future visions, and they are already covering all the roadmap which was mentioned earlier. So this is going to be a life changer company for all the network marketers. So please make use of this opportunity and earn money abundantly through Rigobot, and definitely the people, those who are in Rigobot, will be the crypto billionaires by the end of 2025. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can directly contact me through my WhatsApp number, which will be in the description. And we are conducting a meeting every Monday, Wednesday as well as Friday. That link also you will get through my WhatsApp number. Okay, you can ping me in my WhatsApp number, you will get all the information. Okay, thank you, and we will meet in next video. Okay, thank you and bye.